Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TLGT. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Another very eventful day on this one. This one absolutely exploded on Wednesday, and then today you can see volume remained respectable. The problem is the price action was just disaster. And now I'm not saying this about the company. I don't know anything about the company. I'm just saying this based on how the price has behaved. So from a price action standpoint, this was an absolute pump and dump. There's really no other way to put it than, illustrating and, summarizing. Yeah, TLGT was a pump and dump. And what gives me the right to say that? Well, just to state the obvious, hopefully, this thing absolutely exploded. And then a day later, look where it is. Quite literally right back to where it started. And I don't mean to insult your intelligence, but price movements that make monster, huge movements and then go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of any sort of genuine power. But this is where things get interesting because, and this will mean a little bit more to those that have traded for a while, but if you have seen, stocks that, have these pump and dump type price movements, and then they consolidate out, find, areas of support. Of course, it's not guaranteed, but it's not totally uncommon to see some very nice potential snapback type bounces. So what I'm very curious about moving forward is, can the price at least maintain above 70? 70 has been a former area of support before. You can see back here, and then you look right again. It's holding above that area. So not guaranteed. My point here is it's at least valid. It's at least a rational thought to have that, all this craziness that brought it back down, it's gone sideways. Maybe there can be some sort of a nice little bounce to the upside. Not necessarily back up to $1.05, but it's at least worth keeping an eye on from that point of view, given the way the price has acted. But the key level resistance that's going to need to be broken if there's any sort of chance at all of a bigger movement happening, going to be right up here at 75 cents. So in the near term, keep a close eye on that. But yeah, as of right now, looking like a total pump and dump, but not just a question of can you get some sort of quick snap back to the upside. Let's see what happens with it on Friday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.